$10,000 a month in passive income? Here's the reality. It's not magic, but it is possible. The secret? A business that pays you while you own the real estate. With the demand for senior housing skyrocketing, this is the golden opportunity for the next 25 plus years. So let's break it down. I spend 5 hours a week on my 3 RAL businesses that each cash flow over $10,000 a month each. Sounds pretty passive to me, but here's the thing. Nothing in life is truly passive. It's like this. Think there's a big, huge, massive merry-go-round on a football field, and you got to push it. And there's a 1,000-pound weight on this merry-go-round. Well, the first push, you're going to give it all of your might, and it's still not going to move. And then you're going to push harder and harder and harder and harder, and finally it moves an inch. And then it moves another inch, and you've got momentum. And you keep going and going and going until you take that first lap, and now you're sprinting, and you do more laps and more laps and more laps, and all of a sudden, it's going on its own. It's got that momentum, and you can pull back. And you do pull back. But if you were to walk away forever, that merry-go-round would eventually stop moving. But if you, every couple of minutes, take your hand and go, and give it that push, it's going to keep going forever and ever. That's what I talk about when I mean passive investing. You're never going to be able to walk away forever and completely just exit and still magically make money. You're going to have to stick your hand in every 5 minutes and boom, 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 you get the analogy. Now, I think this is important for you to know because in every form of investing, this is true. It's going to be way more work up front, but once you set it up, it can set you up for life. And this is how and why I chose residential assisted living as my cash flow machine. Because I realized that the hard work up front would pay off for the following decades to come. And the choice is always up to you. But with senior housing and the economics of our country, it's leaning in my favor with the silver tsunami of seniors coming to the market and the lack of supply. We're 1.3 million beds short. We have a mega opportunity here in our country for the next 25 years. If you want to keep learning about how senior housing might be your next best investment, check out this video here on YouTube where I break it down step by step and show you how you can get involved too. Let me give you a glimpse. The average cost of care in our country right now today is $5,500 per month per resident. And you'll be allowed to have somewhere between 6 and 16 residents in your residential home. It'll be in a high-end neighborhood, but one, you've renovated it to be able to house that many people in private bedrooms and bathrooms. No, we're not shoving seniors into a tiny home. No, no, no. So let's call it down the middle because this is an average home for RAL. So 10 residents, $5,500 a month. That's $55,000 coming in every single month for you, but that is gross, not net. We've got to take out the expenses, pay for the staff, the mortgage, the liability insurance, the food, the activities, you name it. This one home could bring you in $10,000 a month net take home. You're not living in the home or working in the home. You've hired the caregivers and the licensed administrator to run the day-to-day of the business. You're running the business sitting in the owner's box, owning the real estate and building appreciation while you cash flow pretty freaking well. Spending 5 hours a week meeting with your administrator, dealing with the high-level things. That 5 hours a week is my little push through the merry-go-round. It's my taking my hand and going, boop, and that's what I do to keep it going round and round. Again, it's not going to happen overnight, and there are a lot more steps involved. But if I could show you how to do this in 3 months from today, where you're owning a business and passively running it within another 3 months, would you pay to learn that info that you could use over and over again? Like my students Mitch and Jen, who own over 25 RAL homes in Colorado, or Rick and Paul in Wisconsin, who own 10 homes, or Lo in Dallas, who owns almost 100 beds. The sky is the limit. We're here to show you, and there's nothing stopping you from cash flowing, serving seniors, and doing good while doing well. I'll see you next time.